Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
The third fundamental right is right against exploitation. Yes, right against exploitation. If anyone exploit you, you have a right to court and demand justice. Okay, so under this particular right, our constitution mentions three evils and declare these illegal. If anyone find practicing these three evils will be put behind bars. And what are these three evils? So under this right against exploitation, the constitution prohibits traffic in human being. What is traffic? Again, a 1 mark question can be asked. Okay? Definition of this word traffic. Definition, okay. Traffic here means buying and selling of human beings, usually women, for immoral purposes, for wrong purposes. They can have buying and selling of women, okay, and children also. That is known as the traffic in human being, and this is declared as illegal, okay. Another, our constitution also prohibits forced labor or begar, yes, in any form. Now what is a begar? Again, this word can be asked as a separate question or can be asked as a definition of begar. What is a begar? Begar is a practice where the worker is forced to render service to the master free of charge or at a nominal remuneration. Okay, when this practice takes place on a lifelong basis, it is called the practice of bonded labor. So this word again can be asked as a separate question of 1 mark. What is bonded labor? Okay, so you can write when the practice, when this practice, when you write this answer of bonded labor, you will write like this: when the practice of begar takes place on a lifelong basis, okay, it will be called as bonded labor. So this is another evil which has been declared illegal by our constitution. Another, the constitution also prohibits child labor. Yes, no one can employ a child below the age of 14 to work in any form of factory or mine or in any other hazardous work like railways, ports, and using this as the basis, many laws have been made to prohibit children from working in industries. What kind of industries? PD making, firecrackers, matches, printing and dyeing. So everywhere, because all these works are hazardous work, and that is why a law has been made by the constitution to prohibit the children to work in these occupations, in these factories. Okay, so these are the three evils which has been declared as illegal under right against exploitation. Okay.